Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nma Esobe. So this is a video I've been longing to do for so long. I told myself I wasn't going to show my face yet, not until I get to 500 subscribers. And today I've made it up to 500 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much. It's you guys' effort, it's you guys' love that brought me to this point, and I want to say thank you for all my subscribers. And if you're watching this video and you're not yet a subscriber, please tap on that red button, tap on the subscribe button and join the family. You're welcome. All right, in today's video is going to be Q&A, questions and answers, get to know me introduction video. I don't want to say that this is my first video. No, I've been posting videos in the past, but they are videos of my DIY, which is what this channel is all about. But today I think it's better if my viewers get to know who I am. My full name is Nma Esobe. Women are not supposed to say their age, but for you guys I will tell you. I am 32 years old. I am married with 2 kids, 2 daughters actually. Yes, I 100% believe in God. Without him, I won't be here today. I believe he's the reason why I'm alive, and he's the reason why I'm here today. I grew up in Aba, Abia State, Nigeria. I grew up there, I schooled there, I did everything all my life in Aba. Today I live in Lagos, Nigeria with my husband and my family. My mom gave birth to us five siblings, 4 girls and 1 boy. I'm number 3, I'm the 3rd child. I attended Abia State University, Uturu. If you're an Ikenga or an Ikengres, please wave your hand in my comment section. I would like to get to know you guys. I studied microbiology, MBL. MBL students, great microbes, comment section. I would say my biggest fear is failure. I don't want to fail in any aspect of my life. I don't like any project I embark on and I find myself failing. So I know it's not a good start if you want to do a business or start a career and you're having that fear of failing. Once in a while you get to fear, but I won't lie, I have that fear of failing. My favorite food, I would say my favorite food is afang soup. Afang soup, it's my best food. I think the superpower I would like to possess is teleporting. So if I can find myself teleport inside the bank, inside the vault room, I'll carry all the money there. Okay, if I'm to describe myself in 3 words, I would say God-fearing, creative, and blessed. Yes, I have fear of heights, fear of being on top there. I can count how many times I've entered an aircraft, but each time we are taking off or landing, I'm always scared. What I find attractive in the opposite sex, let's say my husband for instance now, what I find very attractive in him is the business mind that he has. You and him can be discussing a movie, you're watching a movie and you guys are discussing a movie, and this man is seeing money in every aspect of it. I thought very sexy. Obviously my husband is my ideal partner. Shh. My husband every day, come rain, come sun, come the future, come next tomorrow, come in another world, in another realm of the spirit. I'm glad I have him. He will always be my partner. If I could change one thing in life that ever happened, I would say I would change the day I lost my dad. I would change that day. So he will be here with me today. This channel is about creativity, everything creativity, DIYs, more especially things that has to do with women beautifying and adorning themselves. That's what you'll be seeing in this channel. But I'm going to be narrowing it down, most especially down to fascinators, headgears. You would see beading in my videos too, because those are the things I'm very good at, and that's actually what I do as a business. I make fascinators, I make beads. So traditional beads you can put on your hair, ashoke, playing with ashoke, making beautiful headgears with it. That's basically what this channel will be about. But then to deviate a little bit, you're going to see a bit of fashion, and then you're going to be seeing a bit of food recipes. I don't know if I should create another channel for it, but for now I think I have to grow this channel first of all, and then create food recipes, because I know I spend my time in the kitchen. I like trying out new recipes. So whichever recipe I try and I find it very good, I know I'm going to put it out there for you, and you're going to see it. Thank you. My dream for this channel is to expand this channel in a very large way, that anybody can come into this channel and pick out something for themselves. Like, let's say for instance, before I started my channel, I used to watch other people's videos to find out how they made a particular fascinator, find out how they made generally everything in life. I had a neighbor that once came to me and she said, I know you can do this. And both of us, we sat down. Actually, I think what she wanted to do was how to, package her souvenirs for her girls, for her wedding. And she didn't know how to do it. She didn't know how the guy who packaged it for her achieved it. And she had to open it and put in more things in it. So me and her, we sat down, and then we opened YouTube channel, and voila, there are so many videos on how to tie that ribbon, how to design that package like that. And we got it. So this is something I want to do for my channel, such that if anybody is talking about fascinator, they'll say, oh, Nma Esobe has it. They will come to my channel and see what they are looking for. Yes, I can drive. I don't like talking about it, but I'm talking about it now. My worst experience about driving was the day I nearly threw my whole family, my entire family, into a canal here in Lagos. I was reversing, making a video, and next thing, let's not talk about it again. If I eat healthy, of course I eat healthy. I am team healthy. I lied. Junk food. All right, I'm going to be ending this video here. This is a little about me that I know in the future I'm going to redo these Q&A questions and answer, and by that time you guys will be the ones to ask me, and I will gladly answer your questions. So if you've gotten to the end of this video and you like what you've seen so far, and maybe you've gone through my other videos and you like what you see, and you're not yet a subscriber, I would advise that you tap on that subscribe button right now, join the family, and you're welcome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Then I have a link here. You can also tap on it and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye.